I've seen tons, and I mean tons of YouTube channels that make absurd amounts of money. Now the question everybody's asking, how do I get monetized the fastest? All I can say is that there has never been a better time to start a YouTube channel. Looking at accounts that have done the impossible, we'll break down how to start earning money on YouTube with just one single video and see how you can replicate their success. Keep in mind that the amount you'll make from ad revenue strongly depends on your niche. So question number 1, where do I earn the most money? From $1.40 in the gaming industry ranging up to 13.52 CPM in the how to make money online niche on average. Now, like I just said, this is the average CPM per niche, meaning it might fluctuate somewhere around there. Keeping this in mind, the main reason to pick a niche should still be your interest in a topic instead of a high CPM. Because remember, the most successful people on YouTube are not the ones that pick the best niche, but the ones that have a passion for what they share. Basically, there are two approaches to creating a YouTube channel and turn it into a business. You can either create everything yourself. This might include buying high-quality editing softwares like Adobe Premiere or After Effects, and take the opportunity as a way to learning how to edit engaging content. The second option is by automating it using different sources other than yourself. There are countless websites like Freelancer, Fiverr or Upwork where you can get talented people for every step of your video creation process. If I were you, I'd stick to approach 1. While you might need more time, you'll definitely save money long term, and making special skills like graphic design and editing your own will benefit you a lot down the road. If you feel like neither of those two fits you, maybe consider mixing it up. Work on your own where you believe in your ability and reach out to experts where you have doubts. This brings me to the most important mindset on YouTube. It's not quantity, but quality that matters. Besides the click-through rate, the retention rate is the most important thing, because they certainly will not keep watching if it's some low-quality pixel tutorial, meaning we have to provide value so they do actually want to watch the video till the end. The reason most channels need years and infinite amounts of effort to grow is because their quality only started to improve over time. Skipping the low quality phase automatically leads to saving a lot of hard work. If someone watches your video and enjoys it, it's pretty obvious that they are more likely to return, building you a loyal follower base. Besides that, it will be a lot more engaging, boosting your video with likes and comments. While the average amount is 1 like per 25 views and 1 comment per 250 views, we can easily top this by creating valuable content. Now to the process of actually creating the video. We need to make sure that we are creating it through the lens of the viewer, and the first step to watching a video as a viewer is actually clicking on it. With the thumbnail and title, we get 2 individual opportunities that can potentially lead to a click. In my opinion, they should not compete but complement each other. In order for them to work, we need to intrigue the watcher. The good thing is, we do not need to reinvent the wheel. Take a look around you, see what is trending and add your own touch to already working titles and thumbnails. For the text, I like to say less is more. Keep it simple and clean and try creating a text that contrasts with the background. The next step is your actual content. Scripting is the essence of your video. Before I start writing, I like to create a mind map or just some bullet points standing for what I want to talk about and how I want to share each point. I'm making sure that I have a clear outline for the topics that I want to discuss. From here, we'll start with the most important part of the video, the first 30 seconds. This is where the viewer decides whether he wants to watch the video or click away. We want to make the watcher curious while still coming to the point. Also, we need to reassure them that what they saw on the thumbnail wasn't clickbait, but will actually be discussed in the video. For the rest of the script, I just start writing whatever comes to my mind and making small changes while reading through everything over and over. If you like, ask friends and relatives for their opinion on it. For editing, I use Premiere Pro. For anyone not wanting to spend money on a editing software, I can recommend free ones like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. Now we want to start off by going through our voiceover and cut out silences, speaking mistakes or unnecessary segments that are not adding any value. Next, we'll add our footage. Here it's important to note that it should be syncing to your content, music, and emotions that you want to transfer. Last but not least, we'll add sound effects, transitions, and background music. That brings up the watcher's feelings and makes your content more memorable. Before posting the final video, I always show the video to friends and family for feedback, which I then try to implement. Once this is done, it's finally time to actually post your video and go viral.